It's your boy Wiz D. What's happening then? And I first of all just want to start this off by thanking God. Alright. For without him, none of this would be possible. For sure, you're not tuned in to the Time Plus Knowledge Equals Wisdom mixtape. And it's been a long time coming, but we finally got it done. Kiro, what's up, bro? So I just want to take this time out to thank everybody for tuning in and listening. And I hope this can be a blessing to your life. That right? It's that feel good music, feel good. From your head to your toes, feel it all in your soul. Let go. I'm going straight off the hip, killing it off the rip. I'm sick of this false flag and tired of biting my lip. The world we live in is falling, cause people nowadays are trip. I'm out here hustling souls and trying to make them flip. You can call me relentless, I'm out here on a mission. I'm doing work for the kingdom, so I gotta handle business. It's divine intervention to do away with division. My God is for everybody, no matter your religion. I'm talking about the Savior, sent here from the Creator, the one deserving your praises. Cause he's the one that made you, so don't let the devil phase you. He just wanna degrade you, but get a Lord a try and watch how he amaze you. You feeling sick, the doc is on his way and you don't wanna miss him. Got the remedies for all your symptoms, it's good for you. So go ahead and take a dose of this and get it out your system. Time Plus Knowledge